G'day mates, and welcome back to another episode of Fearsome Animal Hunters. I'm your host Hedgehog, and today we'll be looking at I can't do this, I can't. G'day mates, welcome back to Fearsome Animal Hunters. These species of lizards are generally native to the Australian outback, from where I come from, of course. These lizards are omnivores. Omnivores. This species of lizard is omnivores, eating primarily insects and small spiders. But what is he doing? What are you doing with the rat? Oh, I'm killing. G'day mates, and welcome back to Fearsome Animal Hunters. Today I'm joined by my special guest, Bluey, the blue-tongued skink. Now, as you can first see, it looks slightly like a snake. That is a bluff to scare off predators and small children that may be You didn't delete them off your camera.
You being bitten is a blooper.
Yeah, see, that would be a good blooper. They have these blue pads on their feet that give off an electrode that allows them to stick to surfaces such as glass and basically any other surface. As you can see, he's sticking to me right now. Ow, he's biting me. Ow.
Is he really?
Yeah, he bit me.
He's never bit you, but we'll put him on.
Okay. I'm going to do an outro and it'll be good. This being an amphibious creature, and as you can see, my hands are wet because amphibious creatures absorb water through their skin, and to hold them you need to have wet hands, and you can never put them on a dry surface. Tiger salamanders. Tiger salmon. I was doing so good.
No, we're going to.